Hi everyone! In this video we'll be showing you how to create your very own phone charm wristlet. First you'll need to string your beads on beadalon wire, just like you do with a regular necklace. We recommend using beadalon instead of wax linen or stretchy cord because you'll be putting weight on the phone charm. Once you have your desired pattern and length, string one final bead of your choosing on both of the beadalon wire ends. Then string a crimping bead followed by a closed jump ring, which is what's happening right here. So we're pulling the crimping bead down both of the wires, making sure it's on both the wires, to the end of the bead that's also on both of the wires. Then we're going to go ahead and take a closed jump ring, and the reason it's important that it's closed is because you do not want your beadalon to slip through an open jump ring. Even if you close it all the way, the beadalon is pretty thin, so it can happen. Then we're going to string our beadalon back through both the crimp and the final bead, and then we're going to pull it securely, but we don't want it to be too tight. So you'll see you still want to have a little wiggle room, but there should be no gaps where you can see the wire through the beads. So once you have that, we're going to flatten our crimp bead with our crimping pliers, and you can fold your crimp if you like. We like the way the flat crimp looks, and our crimps are sturdy and strong enough that you don't need to fold it, but of course you can do that if you want. So you just use the tip of the pliers to flatten that crimp, and then we're going to snip off the tail ends of our beadalon. So normally when we make a necklace, we want to string that beadalon back through a couple beads for extra support, but since this is not going to need too much support, we just string it through that final bead. And then finally, we're going to add a little segment of material that will hold our phone charm to our actual phone case. So for this part, we are using wax linen, and we're just going to tie a couple inches of it off with a little double knot, and then we're going to trim off the remaining, and then tie that, well, not really tie it, we're actually just kind of slip knotting it to the phone charm. And then if you need help with attaching it to your actual phone case, check out our follow-up video where we're going to show you how to do that. Thanks so much for watching.